Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one of the most unique stories I have ever read is Cinder by Marissa Meyer. Cinder is the first book of the Lunar Chronicles series, and it is a really good start to an amazing book series. So I remember when I got this book recommendation, people would try to tell me what the book was about, but it wasn't until I read it that I was able to really understand what happened in the story and to actually appreciate how unique Marisa Mayer's storytelling it really is. So Cinder is actually a retelling of Cinderella. Now, do not think that because it's a retelling of Cinderella that it is just another story and that you will be able to predict what is going to happen. It is very unique, it is set in the future, and we can see how some people were able to survive otherwise disastrous situations thanks to the new technology that was implemented in this story. So, this is the first book of the Lunar Chronicles series, and there are definitely other books that come after, and each story just gets more and more interesting. And that is my point of view.